Okay, guys, this is attempt 3 on the nerf 4. It cut out last time, and this guy's trying to kill me. We're doing a nerf 4, and my teammate tried to kill me, and I got shot in the teeth, so this is not going to go well. I can feel it. It's not going to go well.
Hey,
I'm giving you a snowball. No. Okay, guys. Think about them apples. I'll never kiss them.
What? I got one bullet that won't come out of the skin.
Good for you.
Look at that. That's what you got.
Shot him in the butt. Right in the butt, guys. Guys, I hit him right in the butt. And guys, if you didn't know, I'm a left-handed person.
You just took it out the head, too. Took it out the...
Dang it. I hit the player. Oh my, I was off by a mile. And my teammate was trying to kill me a minute ago, and then he tried to kill me again because I was giving him a gift. He tried to kill me because I was giving him a gift. I don't know how rude you are, but you probably...
Dan, reload this.
No.
Yes.
I know what's going to happen if I reload it. You're going to try to kill me again. Guys, it's called rock. These snowballs. These snowballs have got her. Get him! I almost got headshotted. Guys, my base is falling apart. And he knows it's on YouTube. Yeah. Guys, jam. Yeah. I can't even throw these because I'm YouTubing. Guys, in real life, I actually am really good at throwing, but these missiles. Oh, you shot the TV. I got him. That's payback.
That was almost in my eyeball.
Mine was in the ear. Guys, almost got him again. I can't aim because I'm filming. I'm sorry, guys. Leave it, you. No. Me base. Repair me base. Die. Wait, sorry guys.
I see a bullet right behind my father. It's by that.
Shh, I'm in the TV. Headshot
The baseball.
He's out. I haven't even ran out. I got like snowballs galore. Oh my gosh, guys, you can't even see that.
Ben, get me on film. I'm so brave.
Go, 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 go. Oh my gosh. I'm feeding him to kill you. Oh no! You can't actually get out of your base to shoot. Guys, I'm like not shooting anything. I'm just throwing these snowballs like.
Well, everybody did go to the medic clinic for Parker.
No, I shot my Xbox.
Come on. I'm gonna be a bad shot.
Oh, I almost headshotted him. There is no timeouts in one.
I'm a person that goes get a bullet for you.
No.
Yeah.
No, guys, you're not kill me. My base, no. Me base. Me base. Me base. Okay. Thanks. Can I throw snowballs at you?
I have this for you. I have this for you.
Oh no, I don't really need it.
No, for real, Ben, look.
Yeah. Be a bodyguard! Protect me! Yeah, I hit him! You guys probably didn't even say that.
Oh, that little
Oh no! And guys, I'm filming with the iPod if you didn't know. I don't want this. I don't want it. Guys, I need to get rid of some of these guys.
Oh, don't even think about it.
Oh no, guys, he's loaded the gun! Kill Parker, not me! You can't do that. You have to get back to your base in order to throw or shoot. No, you can't do that. You can't throw if you're not in your base.
Yeah, I had to tell her to get some snowballs.
No, you can't do it. Guys, that was like the perfect time to shoot. Guys, I'm shooting him in the butt. Oh my gosh, I almost shot him in the butt, guys. I shot him! No, I'll get disqualified. No, we're not allowed to bring other bullets. No, we're not allowed to bring other bullets or get other bullets.
Here.
Wait, bring
I'll
it back.
put them in. I'll scatter just a handful of them.
No, no. Good. Oh, I went for the kill. I didn't get it. No, I'm out. Crap. Guys, I'm sorry this is a long video. I know it's pretty boring, but if you didn't, I got 3 video games today for $17. Go to GameStop right now because they have a deal for 2 video games for it's buy 2 get 1 free for a pre-owned video game. So that's a really good deal. Oh, almost killed him. Okay, guys. I'm sorry if this isn't a really good shot, but I love the camera. I'm trying to make the I did.
No, I got those music pretty close. I would have got hit you.
No.
Yeah. No, No.
Since I'm only shooting you here, though.
No, I don't want that.
Oh, got him in the head! Headshot!
This is where it goes all in for the kill.
You're doing nothing. He has nothing on me! Ow!
Man, how do you put more bullets in this thing?
Take out the mag!
Huh?
The mag!
Mag in it? Oh!
Yes, Parker. There's a mag in it.
Oh!
Guys, I'm gonna go for a final kill.
You better not.
That timer was just your 5-minute warning.
Oh.
The final 5 in the battle.
I'm going for the kill! Oh yeah, going for the kill! What are you doing?
Oh, no.
Going for the kill! No!
Man.
Oh my. My aiming is over 9,000 today.
I got it.
Ugh. Sorry guys, I'm not really doing that good. It's not my fault.
Oh, he didn't get me.
Cause it's
Oh, I hit my dude.
ah. Oh my. Get the camera. No, get the camera.
I'll take the camera and get action shots.
Okay, do it. Guys, Parker, stay over. Record his face and record mine.
Your face stinks, Ronnie. Or Cat, whichever one you want to call him. Man, take it back, take it back.
No, I'm not good at it.
Here.
I need to shoot. Shoot. Okay. Sorry, guys. This is 13 minutes of boringness, but for me, it's really fun. Okay? Don't pull it all the way out if you use that. Guys.
They want to limit you in these games.
Oh, I hit him on the rebound.
They want to limit you.
Oh, got him. I don't know if you guys saw that, but
Ben, look what I got, Ben. Ben, look.
oh, arm shot.
Ben, look.
What'd you get?
Ben, look what I got.
Oh, is that his gun?
Yep.
Does he not have one?
Nope.
Oh, I'm going for the kill, guys. No.
Miss me.
No, I did not hit you clearly.
Whatever happened?
No.
It come out of your face.
You did so.
Well, I know, but I got reprimanded.
No, you didn't.